Dear students, this is a question on Hund's rule. So before going to this, let us see what is Hund's rule. Hund's rule is about pairing of electrons in the degenerate p, d and f orbitals. P, d and f orbitals, because the orbitals are degenerate, therefore pairing will occur in the degenerate orbitals of p, d and f after each orbital gets half filled or one electron. Then only after that only pairing will occur. For example, if let us take p orbital or p subshell. Now in p subshell we are having three degenerate orbitals.